Hello, greetings and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko, still sending my greetings to you at my uncle's village. In today's video, it's all about how our young girls are being trained to, cook, and how they are being trained to, how they are being built up to do so many things. So it's just gonna be a short video of these young girls pounding fufu. So this is the fufu that they're pounding, and this is the sister who teaches them how to do it. So as they are doing it, then she's sprinkling water onto the food. Yeah. So they're just getting themselves prepared towards the future, because these are the future housewives, or let me say the future women who will be taking care of the family. So they have to be brought up very well, and to also meet the standards of the community or the family that they're gonna take care of. So this particular fufu that they pounding is yam fufu, and this is the yam. So they are pounding yam fufu, and it is this sister who is showing them how to do it. So they have been, before they grow up, they will know everything about cooking indigenous Dagomba food, with regards to taking care of their family, that is their children, their husband, their extended family, and even themselves. So they are just making themselves ready for the future. And this is what we call self-sufficiency, being able to do, a person being able to do something without expecting anything from anyone. So it's just gonna be a short video of these girls doing it, and that is their grandmother's restaurant, local restaurant, I should call it, local fufu restaurant. That's their grandmom's local fufu restaurant that they're working on right now. Okay, so now they finished pounding. See how busy they look on their faces. They look so busy on their faces. Yeah. And this is their grandmom, busily making the fufu for customers to eat. I also bought my fufu here, so I'm just going to eat it right now. Yeah. So that's the village. That's my uncle's village, as you see. Yeah. So they just finished it and they brought it to their grandmom, and now grandmom is going to serve somebody right now. Yeah. Their grandmom has already served me my food, and then I'm also going to eat mine. Eating my fufu with my meat, that's beef, and then this is some okra soup that is being prepared, together with the fufu. So it's just typical Dagomba meal. Though Ashanti fufu is an original meal for the Ashantis, but it is we Dagombas who uses yam to pound it. They are using cassava and plantain. That is, a plantain which is not ripe. That is what they use to pound fufu in the southern sector. But here in the north, we use yam to pound fufu, and we eat it together with either light soup, or either okra soup, or either any kind of green soup. Those green leaves are soups that we call ayoyo. It's just about anything that you want to eat with it. So as you can see, this is the yam fufu that I'm eating, and then this is the soup. This is the yam that they use in making the fufu, or in cooking the fufu for us to eat. And as you can see, they also have some palm nuts here that they use to prepare the soup with the okra, and they also have dry okra here. They also have dry okra here that they mix together with the palm nuts, together with some onions, some meat, and some local spices for us to just enjoy our meal at the local restaurant. This is still your brother Prince Ayoko, sending my village vlogs from my uncle's village. So please try to do me a favor, share this as much as you can, and then let's all learn a lot from what is going on in Africa with regards to the Dagbon people, or the Dagomba people, or the Dagomba kingdom of northern Ghana, or northern Ghana as in general. So this is my village vlogs from my uncle's village. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Peace.